Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important because many candidates are asking that Cognizant mass hiring is started or not. Okay, so I have to mention some of the most important point that careers hiring is not the mass hiring. Okay, the superset hiring is the mass hiring. As you can see on my screen that I uploaded video 11 months ago on October 8, and this is Cognizant off campus hiring of Gen Z 2020, 21 and 22 batch. But many candidates are asking that this hiring programmer analyst is official hiring from Cognizant or it is for the 22, 23, 24 batch. So first of all, I have to mention some of the points like where it is mentioned it is for 24 batch. Okay, they mention science engineering graduate. So 24 batch have no degree yet. Okay, they are in the college. So they are not eligible for this opportunity. They mention that senior product specialist. I also posted this video on August 31st, but later some of the candidate mentioned me that this hiring is for the experienced candidate. How? Let me show you the proof. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that what it is mentioned, programmer analyst role. So when I go to the Cognizant careers portal and search this hiring, like I just mentioned, programmer analyst here and Hyderabad, Telangana location. So as you can see on my screen that match the job ID number. This is 00053472051 and this is 00053472051. This is same opportunity and they want 3 to 5 years of experience. Job ID is this and they want 3 to 5 years of experience. So friends, this is for the senior product specialist. If you choose the experience as if you choose the minimum experience as 0, so this will the opportunity will shown. How? So I am showing you the proof. Okay, wait, when you click on the refresh button, so in the minimum experience, if you are selecting the 1213, what it mentioned that I don't understand like what they are mentioning that where is the 0 experience opportunity. So there is a no 0 experience opportunity. Okay, let's clear the Hyderabad location here. Okay, so minimum experience is 0. Okay, so now the 0 experience opportunity is shown. Okay, so let's, okay, so this type of page will be shown 0 to 2 years of experience, 0 to 1 years of experience, 0 to 2 years of experience, 0 experience. Okay, so they just mentioned that opportunity. So I have to mention, if you are applying for any opportunity, please check the job description clearly, as well as I also uploaded this video, this hiring video. बट जैसे ही मुझे पता चला कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी एक्सपीरियंस बैच के लिए, आई चेंज द लिंक इन माई वीडियो एंड व्हेन यू ओपन दिस लिंक, सो दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी इज ऑलरेडी क्लोज्ड बिकॉज दिस इज फॉर द फ्रेशर्स बैच. ओके, and the Cognizant mass hiring is not started yet. If you are from 23 batch, 24 batch or any batch, if you are applying for any opportunity from any website or any page or any other sources, must check that it is for the freshers or not. Okay, so let's I am sharing you one most important point what they mention in the Cognizant hiring. Okay, so they mention in the Cognizant hiring that they mention that there is a 3-month or okay, so one of the most important point that I have to mention that in the Cognizant hiring, in the official hiring, they mention that like 22, 23 or 24, 21 batch can eligible for this opportunity. But in this hiring, no point is mentioned. This is for experienced batch. And if you already applied through my channel also, so I am suggesting you, don't don't go with the next step, leave that process. Otherwise, if the new hiring is come, so you are not eligible again. I hope this video will clear all of your doubts. Thanks for watching the video.